Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking how you want a second Mlbb account to exist, Guest for quick setup, or Facebook/Google for recoverable access. Once decided, make a fresh email or phone number to receive verification codes. Clear app data or use another device to avoid conflicts, and sign out of your original account. Make sure to use a different nickname and avoid linking the same third-party account. This prevents accidental overwrites and keeps both profiles accessible as you continue. Now create the actual profile by launching Mobile Legends and following prompts. Select region, complete the tutorial, and customize your avatar. Once the account exists, immediately link the new email or phone and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents loss and allows recovery. Record any recovery codes in a secure note. If you plan multiple accounts long-term, use separate game profiles, device cloning apps, or different user accounts on your phone to avoid session conflicts and accidental logouts. Finish by testing the login and logout sequence so you can switch accounts reliably. Make a small free action like claiming a daily reward to confirm. If you plan purchases, link a payment method deliberately and track spend separately. Should you encounter errors, login fails, duplicate device warnings, or missing progress, first clear cache and reinstall. If the issue persists, gather your account UID and verification proof, then contact Mobile Legends support. This gives you a direct route to restore access or resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.